Hi my friends, my name is Jonas Roman and I'm the designer behind Mastertronic, as you know, and together with Focustronic and Rick Tang we have built this machine for you. I've given you a video how you calibrate the Mastertronic, and I will give you a second one with some small tips based on the frequently asked questions we have received the last months now when the Mastertronic is out. So I hope this video can be helpful for some of you. Thank you. I will give you a little demonstration how you calibrate the Mastertronic. I will take the stepper pump as an example. We have a video already for this, but I will do once more because we have one advice, and that is to do the so-called start redo a few times, so you have, so to speak, over primed the hose to be really sure. You need a measure cylinder, and we include that with the Mastertronic of course, and it's good with a little vial at the side so you can dispense the residual water. Now you start to calibrate by open the app and choose calibrate and press of course calibrate stepper, and you start to press ready. And you see this in the LCD, it's just now preparing. Do nothing and just wait so everything has stopped. You can have the waste hose beside, not in the measure cylinder now, because you shall just now prepare the machine. So we are prepared for the next coming calibration. Now press start redo button in the app, and you see this in the display, dosing X milliliter into cylinder. But this is the first time, so it's not for sure that the hose is primed. In this case the hose was actually fully primed already with the first attempt, and that is actually of course the normal. But I will anyway repeat this procedure 2 or maybe 3 times to be really sure. So when you do this the first time or second time now, have the waste hose in a container and don't bother how much you will deliver here. Don't measure the water yet, and that is the main message here. And when it has stopped, press redo start once more. Now I pressed start redo a second time. The hose is full prime now, so it's a good margin. And we see of course the same in LCD, dosing X milliliter. But also this time I will not be interested in how much water we collect here, because I will do a third start redo to be really sure it's fully primed. So I still have the waste hose in this container and don't bother of the content. And now I did the start redo again, and this was the third time. And now I of course have the waste hose in the measuring cylinder. The empty pump is still running. Let it be finished. You will notice that it runs with great margin, so around the last 30 seconds there will come no more water from the hose, and that is normal. I think I say 7.1 and save that. And check in LCD, so it's saved 7.1 milliliter. And now you should proceed immediately with the test pump accuracy, just to be sure. It's a confirmation. So you empty this of course, and be careful you empty everything. And put the waste hose back into the cylinder. And now you go immediately in the app to the test pump accuracy, and you should get 7.0 around. So now I have pressed the test pump accuracy button immediately after I did the calibration. I have this message in the LCD, and of course I let all pumps be ready and finished and not interrupt anything. And I will measure the water now in the emptied measure cylinder, and we will see it should be 7.0 or very close to that. Now it is finished, and I will read, and we should be very close to 7.0. Let's see. Yes, it's spot on, I would say. You have to look it in a perpendicular position as well. You have to take that in count. So I would say 7.0 milliliter. So now the calibration is done and perfect, and you end with the empty hose from the app here.